Welcome to the Decor Ideas channel, where we explore the world of interior design and home styling. If you're passionate about creating spaces that blend beauty and functionality, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're taking a deep dive into the world of traditional interiors, showcasing iconic designs that stand the test of time. Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and leave a comment sharing your thoughts on timeless sophistication. Let's get started. Traditional interiors are all about grace, refinement, and a touch of history. These timeless spaces are designed with elegance in mind, using classic elements that have remained relevant for centuries. From antique furniture to rich color palettes, traditional interiors evoke a sense of heritage and grandeur that can never go out of style. One of the defining characteristics of traditional interiors is their choice of furniture. Think finely crafted wooden tables, opulent armchairs, and ornate cabinets. These pieces, often antiques, are made to last and reflect the rich craftsmanship of bygone eras. Whether it's a Victorian armchair or a Georgian sideboard, these furniture items are what make traditional spaces truly iconic. Another key element in traditional interiors is luxurious upholstery. Rich fabrics like velvet, silk, and brocade create a sense of comfort and luxury. Whether it's an intricately upholstered sofa or a set of draped curtains, these fabrics add depth and sophistication to any room, transforming it into an inviting sanctuary. In traditional design, colors play a significant role in creating a sense of warmth and refinement. Deep, rich tones like burgundy, navy, and forest green are commonly used. Paired with neutral shades such as cream or beige, these colors create a serene yet elegant atmosphere, making the space feel welcoming and timeless. Architectural features are essential in traditional interiors. Elements like crown molding, wainscoting, and grand staircases all add to the space's charm. These details are often the first thing you notice when stepping into a traditional room. They offer a sense of structure and create an air of sophistication that is unparalleled. A fireplace often serves as the heart of traditional interiors. Whether it's a grand stone fireplace or an intricate marble mantel, this feature draws attention and creates a cozy, inviting ambience. It's a place for family gatherings, relaxation, and adds to the overall classic feel of the room. One of the key principles in traditional interiors is symmetry. Furniture is arranged to create balance and harmony within the space. For example, matching armchairs placed symmetrically around a central coffee table or artwork hung in balanced arrangements. This sense of order creates a calm, cohesive environment that is a hallmark of traditional design. Art and decorative elements are crucial in traditional interiors. Classic portraits, still life paintings, and ornate mirrors adorn the walls. Sculptures and other antique pieces add character and sophistication, making each space unique. These decorative accents are not just for beauty, they tell a story and connect the present to the past. In traditional interiors, natural materials like wood, marble, and stone are used extensively. These materials not only add texture and warmth to the space, but they also age beautifully, creating a timeless quality. Whether it's wooden paneling, marble floors, or granite countertops, these materials enhance the room's durability and charm. To wrap up our tour of iconic traditional interiors, we can see that timeless sophistication is all about combining craftsmanship, beauty, and comfort. These interiors continue to captivate because they focus on quality materials, thoughtful design, and historical influences that have stood the test of time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. Share your favorite traditional design element and let's continue the conversation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.